Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide duplicates in Excel tables. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data set. So in this data I have some duplicate entries. You can see here the phone product, there are two entries with the same customer with the same amount, same date and other details also. So here I'm going to hide duplicates entries in Excel table. Okay, for that, first I'm going to convert this range of data in table. Okay, first select the inside the cell of this data, then use the Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then use the Ctrl T convert this data in table. Then here the one create table dialog box is open. Then click on the OK to convert this data in table. So here you see your data is converted in table. Now here I'm going to hide these duplicate entries. Simply select the inside the cell, use the Ctrl A and go to the data tab, and in sort and filter group click on the advanced option. Here the advanced filter dialog box is open. In action is the first option is automatically selected. In list range just click on this arrow and select the entire table. So I select here the entire table data and I just click on again this arrow, and after that just click on the unique records only. It means all other the duplicates data or entries will hide. Okay, after that just click on OK and that's it. Here you see only the unique entries is showing here. All duplicate entries is hide. Okay, in Excel table. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.